Hello and welcome back to the course on Dart programming. Before getting started to Dart programming, I would like to explain you about SDK. Now an SDK is a software development kit which is used for developing softwares. SDK is nothing but a package which has some software development tools and libraries or packages which allow you to develop the software. So in our case, we will be using the Dart SDK. You might be knowing other SDKs like Java Development Kit, JDK. So here in our case, we will be using the Dart SDK. So first of all, let me explain you how to install the Dart SDK in your machine. Or if you are not required to install the Dart SDK in your machine, then it's okay. You can practice the Dart programming into this website called dartpad.dev. This is a very good website developed by the Dart team in which you can write your code and test. Alright, and one more thing, if you are going for Flutter development, then you are not required to install the Dart SDK separately in your system. That the Flutter SDK itself ships with the Dart SDK, which will allow you to develop Flutter applications. But if you are planning for server-side application development or desktop application development or command line applications, then you can use this Dart SDK in order to develop your applications. Now first of all, Google this install Dart SDK. So here you can find that I am having a link called get the Dart SDK. You have to go to this link, and I am here in this link. So here this link is nothing but the Dart website itself. So here you can find that there are some useful guidelines for installing the Dart SDK into your system. So here the tip is also written. If you want to create both Flutter and command line or server application, install both Flutter and the Dart SDK. That's what I said. You have to install the Flutter and Dart SDK separately if you are planning for command line or server or desktop applications. So in our case, if you want to install the Dart SDK, there are two ways to install the Dart SDK. The first one is you can use this command line utility called Choco. This Choco, you can find this in Chocolatey website. You can install this via this, or else you can download the zip file from the Dart website, and you can choose your operating system and the Dart SDK version, and you can download this Dart SDK from here, and you can see that it's downloading in my case. Yeah, you can see that it's downloading here. All right, so I will cancel that anyways because I have installed that. So after downloading this Dart SDK into your system, you have to go to the location where you have downloaded that. Like in my case it's this Dart SDK. So here what you have to do is you have to extract this zip file. Here it's a zip file which you have to extract at your desired location. And in my case, I have extracted it in the C local disk, and inside this C local disk, inside this SRC folder, I have extracted this. And after that, you can see that this is the whole Dart SDK. Now after extracting this from the zip file, you have to go to your environment variable setup. So you can type on if you are using a Windows system, then you have to go to your env. You have to go to your system variables. You have to go to your system environment variables, and inside this system environment variables, you will find there is a environment variable called path here. There is an environment variable called path, and here in path you are having some predefined. You must be having some predefined system paths. So you have to add a new path here, and in my case I have already added that. So what you have to add here? You have to add the directory up to the bin directory. You can see that in my case it's csrc Dart SDK /bin. So in order to set your Dart SDK to your path, you have to add up to this bin directory. So I have done that already. Okay, I will be pressing the OK all the time. Now once the path is set into your system, then what you have to do is you have to just open your terminal. In my case it's a command prompt, and you have to just run a command called pub. And if this pub command is running successfully, which means your Dart SDK is the setup of Dart SDK is done. And there's another command called Dart. So here you can see that this Dart command will show some options, which means that your Dart SDK is installed. So this was the system setup for Windows. Now for Mac and Linux users, so you can download the respective Mac or Linux Dart SDK, and after that the way you set the path through your terminal, you can do that like using the export command. All right, so this is how you can install the Dart SDK into your system. Now after installing this Dart SDK, I will be writing all the code into my system, and if you don't want to use this Dart SDK into your system, then you can follow me along into this dartpad.dev website. You can, if the code that I will be writing here, you can also write that code inside this dartpad.dev website. So all right, up to this the system setup is done. Now let me go deep dive into the concepts of Dart programming language. Thank you.